What are you looking to do? What would you like to do?
I'm honestly looking to be healthy and safe. And whatever you guys feel with is best. My trust is so.
You seem
But like, which is not kind of spending $4,000 almost on a surgery.
What do you think of
Well, I've always had a nice one, so.
It's back on the market.
He's recently single. I kid you not. And who is what man? You have a nice one.
Oh, I do have a nice butt.
I was hoping my grandma would maybe try to hook me up with a single doctor, but apparently she has her own agenda.
I'm sensing a
You
connection.
remind me of a movie star, though. Was you ever a movie star?
Yeah.
Mom.
Tony Shalhoub.
Well, I've never seen him in person, but you should.
Poor baby, he snores so hard.
I think that's
So loud.
I think, Tony Shalhoub's a kind
You
of
gotta see a doctor. Mama, I'm having a hard time breathing.
okay, let's see.
Oh no, just